Direct Biologics was created to expand the science of cutting-edge biologic technologies through research and commercialization of the naturally occurring proteins from allograft tissue, compliant with FDA standards for 361 HCTP product. Cells by nature work to heal, repair, and reconstruct the body. Science shows us a revolutionary way to provide true stem cell therapy, which is to provide therapy to the patient's own cells by modulating the cellular activity. This happens by introducing the patient's cells to a healthy and younger combination of naturally occurring growth factor proteins and exosomes. A growth factor is naturally occurring protein capable of stimulating cellular growth, proliferation, healing, and cellular differentiation. Usually it is a protein or a steroid hormone. Growth factors are important for regulating a variety of cellular processes. Let's find out how exosomes are made. Inside the cell, a cell membrane forms inward, forming a special type of lipid vesicle called an endosome. Then the proteins, microRNA and messenger RNA, invaginate the endosome's membrane, forming the exosomes. Endosomes then fuse with the surface of the cell, releasing the exosomes outside of the cell. Due to the observation of this process, historically, exosomes were believed to be a waste byproduct of cells. But when researched further, and it was discovered that, in fact, these are the mediating mechanism involved in direct cell-to-cell communication. These produce an anti-inflammatory response due to the communication from the many proteins that down-regulate inflammatory proteins. Other proteins will then recruit stem cells to the area that will help unregulate these cells to proliferate and promote organized healing through the regulated process. Then once the task is complete, there are additional proteins that tell the cells when the healing has been completed. These exosomes, with the presence of over 200+ growth factors, are being regarded as one of the purest forms of stem cell therapy. In their natural state, they offer proteins and no DNA or potentially harmful byproducts that can be found in other therapies.